guys, welcome to this channel. So today we're gonna have this purple with white makeup look. You guys know that before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. I'm gonna do my eyebrows with the NYX Fill and Fluff in the color black. First color I'm going to use is this purple from the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to apply this on my crease. I'm gonna start working the color on my crease and start blending. Just going to do the same thing on this side of the eye. Work, blend, and bring it all the way to the almost to the inner corner of the eye. Now moving on with another color, I'm going to use the Too Faced White Chocolate Bar, and I'm going to use the color Glaze, which is a white shade, a white color. I'm just going to tap this color, and from there I'm going to work. So we're just going to do the same thing on this side of the eye. And I just noticed that my nails matches my eyes. I mean the eyeshadows that we used today, the purple one. So cute, I like it. Now I'm going to use the Morphe Everyday Chic 35C palette, and I'm going to use the white shade, the other white shade. It's called Cheers to You, the one over here. I'm just gonna take this white, okay, this is not working. I'm just going to apply the color with my fingers because with the brush it wasn't working. Grab again the Maybelline Creamy Concealer to apply on my face. Oh, I'm gonna put it underneath my eyes too. I'm just going to blend it with my fingers, the same thing I did with the eyes. So for foundations, I'm going to use two, which are the Covergirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk in the shade Medium 560, and I'm going to use the Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid in the shade Vanilla 5. I'm going to use these two because Covergirl is too dark for me and Maybelline it's too light, so I want to start using especially the Covergirl. So I'm just going to take the Covergirl foundation with my fingers. Then I'm going to use the Maybelline and do the same thing. So I'm just going to blend this. I think I grabbed too much foundation from Maybelline. We'll see how it works. And for concealer, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. You know guys that I love this concealer. A little bit over here because I have no idea why I have darker spots over here and each side of my mouth. To contour my face, I'm just going to use Tarte Parquet Princess. Now moving on to the lashes, I'm going to use the Ardell Double 113. While we wait for the lashes to dry, I'm going to use this purple color, which is called Playtime from Morphe. I'm going to apply this underneath the eyes just to give it a more purplish color. So I'm just going to put the L'Oreal mascara that has collagen to combine the falsies and my lashes. And for my lower lashes, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes Excess. I'm gonna go and use the setting spray Milani Fruit Fetish Make It Last in the scent Mango Coconut. For the highlight, you guys know that I love this one from Urban Decay Afterglow palette. I'm going to use the color Cliché. To highlight the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to use the Oh My Glow palette from Jadis, and I'm going to use the color Snow Dust because we're using everything white today and purple. To finish this makeup, I'm going to use the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Raspberry Tart. If you want to try like other colors for the lips, just not going to the nudes because I know we always go to the nudes. That's it for this video, guys. I really like how the makeup looks, the purple with the white. I really like how the white looks with some glitter. It reminds me like immediately it reminded me of winter, of snow, but I really like how it turned out. Again, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so YouTube notifies you when I upload a video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Color, not shade, a white shade, color, a white color. Dark. How I want the purple to be.